Let me start the video from here itself. So I'm going further. This is the cemetery and there are a lot of tourists to come on weekday. Oh, there are there today also. You can see inside the cemetery there are a lot of people over there. I do not know what is special about the cemetery. The tourists come in a tourist bus like this. This is Abhinandan. And today is 25th January 2026. Sometime because I tell wrong information because my mind will be somewhere I am thinking and saying. So yesterday when I came here for Liberty Coin, okay, I saw one flea market here. So I am coming again today on Sunday to see the flea market and connect with some people who are English speaking people, because I have got my card, the prospecting card, to say to give information about a free website.
Yeah.
So there's a nice park, people are sitting here. I see like New York, there'll be a lot of people sitting in the park like this, enjoying their time. So this is a cemetery over here. Now let me show you, I'm going over there right now. So this card says here, get a free website. Okay, join a business with $55. So this is the inside of the cemetery. But you have to pay maybe $30 or something to go inside. I do not know what is so special there, but I'll find out more in detail later. So there's a huge flea market. I yesterday asked them and they told it is there on Saturday and on Sunday also. So I did some work and then I thought let me go in the evening if it is open. Even it's only 5 p.m. right now. Now if you enjoy watching videos like this, you will attract opportunity eventually, because according to YouTube gave me a report at the end of the year. It was shocking for the YouTube also. I have watched 11 times more than an average person in the whole world has ever watched travel videos. I'll repeat, Abhinandan has watched 11 times more than average person in the whole world in watching travel videos. I have not watched only that. While I am sitting and working on my laptop, I'll have another tablet. My 18-inch tablet. Okay, Galaxy View. I keep watching on that. So, yesterday I did not have the time to go one by one into all these stalls. So I thought today I'll have. Okay. A lot of unique things are here, but I'll see what they are. I know many of them are waste of money and waste of time. I want to buy this. This is something very special of this place. You speak English?
Yeah.
Oh, very good. I want the biggest size. The big one.
The big one.
Okay, and what is that they put? I just came 2 days ago. What is that they put inside that mati?
Mat, yeah. We put inside a kind of herbs and then you put the
Put a hot
straw.
water?
Yeah, hot water.
Hot water.
The straw and you pour water inside and you drink through this straw.
Okay.
Okay?
And you can keep putting more water to that herb, or you have to throw it off.
Put 1 one time, then you put again and you pass from one to the another.
Oh, I don't want to pass. I only want to drink it for myself.
Well, okay, you can pour
Okay, how much is that?
This one is 38,000. This one.
38,000 pesos.
And then you have those that are big in wood with alpaca. The metal is alpaca, and it is 24. Here
24,000 peso.
Yeah, here 24.
Okay, that is approximately how many dollars, sir? 24.
I'm going to make a count. I don't
No, wait. Okay, I want a bigger size one. I don't want small
You
one.
have a bigger and small, and you have every size here.
Okay. So let me check other things and come and then decide to buy. Meanwhile, you read this. I'm offering something. I'm from India, Bangalore. I'm offering a free website for people.
Oh, well, okay.
Just read that, but I want a bigger one, this one.
This one, for instance, have a
Okay.
good capacity.
Okay.
Or this one,
Yeah.
see? The materials,
So they are approximately 20,000, 25,000.
yeah, more
Okay.
or less.
So let me check and come. Let me check the other places.
Sorry?
Let me check all of that. Let me look at it and come. Okay.
Yeah, of course.
This is the obliques of. So I want to buy that. So this is Abhinandan here from. Okay. So apart from doing global business, I enjoy locally what are very unique. Okay, so see here everywhere it is. Let me go this side. A lot of foreigners who come, they purchase this, and there's some kind of tea. It is herbal tea. It has a power of caffeine also. And let me see what is very useful, but I won't buy it immediately in this kind of flea market. I will look for a traditional one and then I will buy. Okay, this is very huge. Oh, this is a kind of art. Okay, it's made of vagina with a key chain. Okay. Now, oh, there's a lot more over there also. Let me. Oh, that's very huge. It will take the whole day. One time I used to pay in Mumbai some 200 or 300 rupees. I paid for this. Later it was available for 20 rupees. Okay. Nice view of the church. Let me see, as I'm seeing, there's a nice shopping area. You have a feeling of a European country. More, because all these people are European only. Okay. All this art I don't like, but I'm going to once you see it very fast what it is. But this side was all the artwork which I saw from that side. But let me do the justice of seeing of once. These are all full artwork. So Sunday I did not go anywhere. I thought I'll sit and do all the work. Okay, people coming out of the cemetery, and so let me pause here. People enjoying their time like this. Okay, you'll see people sitting and reading. So I came to know from one lady that it is a summer year right now, and the local people, employed people, they have all left for the countryside, and usually foreigners from Spain and other countries and all are coming right now. Of course, it was little empty, like the street was empty. So there are a lot of shoppings are there. I'll go that later. And let me see this fully today and connect to some people. Okay. So as I'm seeing, I'm talking. So my talk will be a little slow because my eyes should be looking somewhere. Can you just bang this? Where are you from?
Argentina.
Oh, Argentina. How much is this?
180,000 pesos.
180,000 peso.
170,000.
Okay. Very nice. I'll come again. Okay. So, this is another kind of that mate coffee. Okay. See, none of these people have a website. None of them. Okay. Some of them, nice fragrance smell. All this kind of handy craft. This is very nice. Books, wow, powerful knives. See the knife. Okay. Lot of things. These are bigger size. I like to take a big one. I'm going very fast because I don't want to waste my time watching that. My eye will look at it very, very fast and decide whether it is useful for Abhinandan, okay, or useless, whatever it is. Lot of shops are there. Once I stop recording, sorry.
Hola.
Are these Himalayan salt?
Himalaya.
Okay, okay.
Le tengo unas ganas bárbaras.
In between, okay. Lot of things, lot of things to look slowly also. Is that Messi? Madonna. Okay. Like there are people who make videos without voice, without talk. They are called silent videos. But they are very famous. People in millions watch them. It's an Argentina national stone. Stone of Love. It's deposited, is located in the province of Catamarca. City of powerful in cleaning and amplifying. Which one is the stone?
La piedra nacional argentina.
Where is it? This is the stone?
Exacto. Todo lo que ves rosa es la piedra.
It's called what?
¿Inglés?
Ah,
¿O no? Para ellas. Castellano.
Let me see what it is.
Tuyo, inglés. Llévalo.
Your number is there in this?
Inglés.
Your number is not here?
¿No es inglés? Para.
Okay, I'll come again. I'll go. I'll read it.
Es inglés.
Oh. Okay.
Puede ser. Puede ser eso.
Okay, you read this. I'll come again.
Ah, gracias.
Yeah, thank you. I'll come again.
Dale.
Yeah.
Muchas gracias.
Yeah, this is the first time I'm listening. This is your Rita?
Rita. Sí.
Rita Franco.
Rita Franco.
Okay. And that's your WhatsApp number. Good. I'll contact you regarding this. Okay.
Gracias.
Okay. So,
Oh my God.
I have to slowly record.
Chihuahua?
And
Por aquí.
did I miss this already? Or I came like this? Hi. Let me go and come back. So I don't want to miss it. So, Buenos Aires is very beautiful. Okay, people sitting and enjoying their time, and this is what I'm looking for. This is only the pipe with that spoon like, but did I watch here already? I'll simply upload this on the YouTube without subtitle. Okay. I sometimes watch two times. This I'm recording, so I'm moving very fast. I'll come again later. These are big ones. Which one is very big one? You have a big one?
Grandes.
Grande.
Así.
Only this. I want more big. I want more. Grande. Grande.
No, así sí no.
Okay. Okay, I'll come. This is your card? Okay, give me that. I'll give you this. Read this completely, both sides. I'm from India. Yeah, this side you read first.
Ah, okay.
Okay? How much is this? Quanta? 50,000. Okay. So I'm slowly learning. You're smiling something.
Hi.
You're smiling, so I thought let me come and talk to you. You also deal with the same thing. But I want a very big one. I like to drink more.
More mate, but mate is strong.
Strong.
Yes.
I have never tried it. I saw many people. I just came day before yesterday.
Yeah.
I saw everyone drinking this.
Yes.
Okay, where is the mate? How much is the mate costing?
That's 36
Okay.
and this 30. This
You-
is big one too.
You don't get more bigger?
More bigger, no.
Okay.
This is the ideal.
This is idea.
Smaller, but this look.
No.
This is smaller.
Ah.
This is big one.
This is bigger.
That's bigger.
How much is this, huh?
36.
You can't make it less for me. I'm going to give you some special gift for you.
Maybe 35.
Read this both side. I'm going to give you a website so people can order it from Spain, people can order it from India,
Yeah.
people can order from USA. any way they want. Since you speak English, you can do a nice business, unlike the other lady over there.
Okay, thank you so much.
So you give me a good price.
35, it's the last I got.
No. People don't discount only 1,000 peso. In India, people discount by 10,000 pesos.
Okay, but India hasn't like the inflation we have. Thank you so much for this.
Yeah, but you tell me final price.
35.
My friend got it in the hotel. He told he paid 24,000.
Oh, maybe, yeah.
But I do not know where he got it.
Handmade.
Huh?
This is handmade.
I'm not interested in that. I'm only interested in putting that and having a big pipe. How much is this one? This is made out of steel?
That's 8,000.
8,000. And how much is that packet of that mate?
This mate, and that's 40.
What? 40?
Yeah.
14?
40.
40?
1,000.
14,000.
40. 40.
1 4
One and this one. 40.
of 40,000.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, I'll come again. What's your number?
We don't have the number. You have to look for this one.
Okay, got it. Okay. So you are there tomorrow or today ends at what time?
Today and Saturday.
Next Saturday
Next Saturday. Yeah.
is the last.
Yeah.
Okay.
Saturday and Sunday.
Okay, so today still what time it is there?
20.
Or 20. Okay, let me just check if anyone is not giving a good
What's your
price.
name?
My name I gave you over there in the card. This is my name.
Which is your name?
Yeah, there. That's one slip. This is my name here.
Abby.
Very good. That's my name, Abhinandan.
Okay. Let's.
Have both. This is for you,
Okay.
and this is for.
Abhinandan.
Is this a very good stone?
Okay.
I saw it over there, and I thought, let me.
This is yours. Yes.
Is it-
See that's very good.
Okay.
Yeah.
But this is my goal right now to take the biggest one.
Thank you so much.
What's your name?
Carolina.
Carolina. Okay. I'll just come. Let me look around.
See you around.
Okay. So now let me stop this. Some people who speak English will be good for Abhinandan. Okay. I do not know how it is ended. See this cup, how it looks like, very frightening. This cup. How is this cup? It's for drinking. You can drink?
Yes,
Okay.
$20.
$30 or 30,000 peso?
No, dollar. 25 pesos.
Okay. So, where am I? I am missing from there to here. Did I come here this side that time? Anyhow. So let me stop this one video because if it is too big, I cannot condense it. I cannot minimize the video. So I'll record again after this 22 minutes video. So now I'll go this side. Let me stop from here and continue from here.